This is the WS2811 pixel LED, and it contains 50 LEDs and 22 feet long, and the both ends have connectors, a male connector, and the other end has a female connector. Female connector is for to connect the pixel LED driver or the pixel LED controller. This contains the designs from the pixel LED designs, and we connect the driver to the female connector from like this, and the other connector is for extend the pixel LEDs 1, 2, 3 and 4, like we are making a big scale of buduras display. And you can see there's two wires, one red and white color. This LED is working from 5 volt DC voltage, and red one for positive supply, positive, and white wire for negative supply.